Halo guys, welcome back to this channel, Berani Belajar. Masuk kita ke unit 29, penggunaan may and might 1. Jadi may and might ini dibagi jadi dua unit ya. Unit 29 dan unit 30 nantinya akan kita bahas. Jadi kita langsung aja masuk ke bagian part A. Study this example situation. Kita lihat situasinya seperti apa. Nah, ini di kantor ya. Terus si laki-laki bilang ini, where's Ben? Ada yang bilang he might be in his office, ada bilang he might be having lunch, ada bilang ask Kate, she might know. Tanya sih, kalau misalnya he may be in his office, berarti kemungkinan dia berada di kantornya. Terus bilang he might be having lunch, kemungkinan dia sedang makan siang. Kemudian ask Kate, tanya si Kate, she might know, mungkin saja si Kate itu tahu gitu di mana si Ben. Jadi penggunaan may sama might itu adalah untuk to say something is possible. Oke, di sini dia. We use may or might to say that something is possible. Something is possible. You can use may or might. Nah, it might be true, it might be true, atau dengan kata lain perhaps it is true, or she might know, she may know, itu boleh. Kemudian kalau itu kan yang kalau yang bentuknya negatifnya seperti apa tuh, gampang, tinggal kita tambahkan aja not, might not. Contohnya, it might not be true, gak mungkin itu betul. She might not know, dia mungkin gak tahu gitu kan ya. Jadi formulanya itu seperti ini, I, you, he, atau nanti selanjutnya pakai may or might plus not plus be. Boleh true in his office, be or be verbing, be doing, working, no, work, want, dan seterusnya. Dan pahami kan kita sering juga maybe. Nah, sebenarnya maybe itu satu word ya. Ada may and be. Maybe two word. Jadi kalau dia it may be true, itu may plus verb. Sedangkan kalau is it true, maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe mungkin itu adalah berbeda ya tadi ya. Yang satu word itu adalah membilangkan dia itu it's possible, mungkin saja gitu ya. Jadi dia beda. Maybe sama it may be true, it may be, maybe I'm not sure gitu ya. Jadi ada yang dua kata, ada yang satu kata gitu. Kemudian kita masuk ke yang part B. Dia ngomong apa sih? For the past, we use may have, or might have. Jadi sama kayak sebelumnya pas kita bahas must itu yang pakai must have, can have. Ini juga sama, might have, might have. Kita lihat contohnya. A, I wonder why Kate didn't answer her phone. She may have been asleep. Mungkin aja dia ketiduran gitu ya. A, I can't find my phone anywhere. You might have left it at work. Mungkin aja kamu meninggalkannya di kantor gitu ya. Why wasn't Amy at the meeting yesterday? Kenapa si Amy nggak di pertemuan kemarin katanya. She might not have known about it. Mungkin dia nggak tahu tentang meeting itu gitu ya. Kemudian, I wonder why David was in such a bad mood yesterday. Kenapa si David itu bad mood ya gitu. Moodnya jelek gitu. Mungkin he might not have been feeling well. Mungkin dia nggak merasa baik gitu perasaannya. Nah, jadi ya seperti itu. Jadi formulanya itu I, you it, may or might, not, boleh not ini tergantung ya. Kalau negatif tambah not aja. Might not have, or might have, might not have, might have, or might not have. Been, tadi kalau ini be, ini been, ini being, ini been-ing, ini know, jadi noun. Sama juga kayak yang unit sebelumnya yang kita bahas ya. Been asleep, or at home, been doing, been working, been feeling, no, have none, have had, have wanted, nah, have left, seperti itu ya. Number C, part C, could is similar to my and Mike. Sebenarnya si could ini dapat mirip penggunaannya itu dengan May sama Mike. It's a strange story, but it could be true. Itu cerita yang aneh, tapi itu mungkin aja benar gitu kan. Kemudian you could have left your phone at work. Tadi kan dibilang you might have left your phone at work, or you may have left your phone, sama aja. Jadi itu membilangkan kemungkinan kamu meninggalkannya di kantor gitu kan. Tapi but couldn't negative is different sama might not or might not. Nah, couldn't kan kalau tadi kita bilang could itu sama-sama might sama Mike, tapi kalau couldn't itu beda sama might not sama might not. Coba kita bandingkan ya. Sarah couldn't have received my message. Otherwise she would have replied. It is not possible that she got my message. Dengan kata lain, dia tidak menerima pesanku. Ya kan? Otherwise, sementara itu, jika tidak, sebaliknya, dia pasti menjawabnya atau membalasnya gitu ya. Tapi kalau misalnya dibilang, why hasn't Sarah replied to my message? I suppose she might not have received it. Perhaps she did, perhaps she didn't. Nah, gitu ya. Jadi kalau dia bilang couldn't itu udah pasti tidak. Tapi kalau nanti might not or might not itu mungkin might not have or might not have itu bisa jadi perhaps she did, perhaps she didn't. Jadi tergantung lah gitu ya. Tapi kalau dia couldn't udah kayak secara it's not possible that she got me message. Contoh yang ini, I couldn't have received my message, Sarah couldn't have received my message. Itu dengan kata lain dia bilang nggak pasti nggak nerima gitu, nggak masuk tuh pesan gitu. Oke. Kemudian kita masuk ke ini ya, latihan. Unit 29 bagian 1. Complete the sentence, choose from the box. Oke, jadi kita disuruh milih dari boxnya ya. Ini do you know where Helen is? Kamu tahu di mana si Helen? I'm not sure, nggak yakin. She might be in her room. Mungkin dia ada di kamarnya. Oke. Nih, she might be in her room. Oke, kita hapus. Ini kita kasih A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H aja ya. Nanti kita tinggal kasih huruf aja. Or ini adalah D. Kemudian, is there a bookshop near here? Apakah ada toko buku di sekitar sini? I'm not sure, but ask Anna, she might know pasti. Ini adalah H. She might know. Kemudian, where are those people from? I don't know, they. Ini udah, they. Might be Brazilian. Karena kan tak dari mana ya kan? Mungkin aja dia dari orang Brazilian. Oke. I hope you can help me. I'll try, but it might not possible ya. Itu mungkin nggak. Itu bisa jadi nggak mungkin. Aku mau ya, tapi kayak gitu. 5. Whose phone is this? It's not mine. It may be Tom's. Punya si Tom's ya kan. Kemudian 6. Why doesn't George answer his phone? He maybe not be feeling well. Mungkin ini ya, B. Kemudian 7. Do you know anyone who has a key to this cupboard? Rachel might have one. Nah, ini G. But I'm not sure, tapi nggak yakin. Mungkin aja gitu. 8. Gary is in a strange mood today. Yes, he is. may not be feeling well. Bisa jadi dia kayak gitu. Kemudian bagian 2, complete each sentence using the verb in brackets. Kemudian kita contoh, where is Ben? I'm not sure. He might be having lunch. Okay. Number 2, who was the guy we saw with Anna yesterday? I'm not sure. It may be aja lah ya kan. It may be her brother. It may have been. Oh, karena kan udah lampau ya, sorry. It may have been her brother. Kemudian 3, is Ellie here? I can see her. She may not arrive. She may not. Is Ellie here? Apakah si Ellie di sini? Aku nggak ngelihat dia. She may not have arrived. Mungkin aja dia belum sampai gitu ya. Gary said he would meet us in the cafe, but he isn't here. He might have wait. Berarti kalau dia sedang lah, berarti kan posisinya kayak sedang gitu ya. He might be waiting. Number 5, how did John know that I'd lost my job? Dari mana si John tahu did ini ya? Aku kehilangan pekerjaanku. I don't know. I suppose Sam may have told ya. Have told him. Okay. 6, do you know? Ini present. Do you know where Jeff is? Is he still in the office? He was here earlier, but he might be going home, or he might have gone. He might have gone home. Mungkin aja dia udah pulang. Where's Emma? What she's doing? I'm not sure. She might be watching TV. Karena kan dia berbicara apa yang sekarang kan. 8, does Max have any brother or sister? I'm not sure. Does ya? I think he might have aja lah kan, masih ada kan, nggak, bukan masa lampau. He might have a younger sister. 9, I can't find my umbrella. Have you seen it? Seen ya. You might have left it in the restaurant last night. Okay. 10, I rang Dan doorbell, but he didn't answer. I'm sure he was there. He might not have heard. Kan udah lampau ya. Have heard the doorbell. Mungkin dia nggak dengar bel pintunya. 11, Hannah is supposed to meet us here. Supposed to us here. She's already 20 minutes late. She might have forgotten. She's always forgetting things. Okay. Part 3, complete the sentences using might not have or couldn't have. Kalau dijelaskan tadi couldn't itu nggak bisa. Couldn't itu nggak bisa digabungkan sama si might not sama might not ya, berbeda dia. I was surprised Amy wasn't at the meeting, perhaps he didn't know about it. Kemudian dijawab, maybe she might not have known about it. Okay, 2. I wonder why Tom didn't come to the party. Perhaps he didn't want to come. It's possible he might not have wanted. He might not have wanted to come. Nggak ingin dia datang. 3. I wonder how the fire started. Okay, was it an accident? No, the police say it couldn't be an accident. Oh, tapi ini was ya, udah apa ya? Udah pas ya, betul. Couldn't have been an accident. It was deliberate. Itu nggak mungkin sebuah accident gitu. Mike says he needs to see you. Si Mike berkata dia butuh ketemu denganmu, melihatmu. He tried to find you yesterday. Well, he might not have tried very hard. I was in my office all day. Okay. 5. The man you spoke to, are you sure he was American? No, I'm not sure. He might not have been American. Kan been itu dari be itu dari SMR. Menyesuaikan aja. Kebetulan dia bilang kan dia nggak mungkin Amerika gitu. Mungkin aja dia nggak orang Amerika gitu. Kelar kita 29 dari 145. Keep learning guys.